Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a short review of Adaptxt multilingual keyboard for Android phone. You can find that on Google Play easily. This is Adaptxt keyboard for Android. The installation is very simple. The keyboard features 21 different languages along with autocorrect and auto text replace options. Let's first install it and check out the features. Adaptxt is a smart keyboard application available for Android, Windows and Symbian platform. It is at around 6 MB download for keyboard. There is a separate keyboard available for tablet interface. You can see a small glimpse of screenshot here. This is how Adaptxt look like. Once Adaptxt is installed, we have to configure some settings to customize it properly. This is the application. You can see the setting menu here. The first option is My Dictionary. This section is automatically updated as you keep on typing using SMS and email. The dictionary is updated and all the words are recorded below here. The limit for dictionary is 1500 words. The second option is Add-on Manager. This is the language section. The download section offers you a set of languages that you can instantly install just by tapping on it. And if you're not able to find your languages, you can use the search option to locate the language and tap on it. It will be downloaded. It will come afterwards in the install section. Now this is English and Hindi installed in it. This is the message interface. This is Adaptxt keyboard. You can see the language default chosen here. To change the languages, you have to go back in the settings. You can see a small blue bar here. It is the priority settings. You have to drag the language above which you want to use. You can see the number priority 1 and 2. Go back to the message again, and here you can see the language has been changed. In this way you can make changes in the languages. The latest option is available in the same section to offer you some of the most recent language added in this section. The third is personalized settings. This setting allows you to update the word from social media platforms. You have to configure your accounts here. You can allow the application to learn from your social network account or from your contact and messages, or you can simply manage your Twitter or Facebook account here. When you update any post on your social networking platform, the application try to update words from it. The third is themes and layout section. There are three themes provided in Adaptxt. The first is dark theme. You can see the theme is changed. The second is bright. We have seen this already. The third is blue theme. This is a bit flashy. Compared to others, the bright theme looks more decent. This is to modify the portrait mode and landscape mode layout. You can tap on this and you can choose either standard keyboard or phone keypad. Standard keyboard is the one we had seen already, and phone keypad is the 12 button phone key, which is by default available in many phones. This section is ATR, automatic text replacement. The section allows you to create a shortcode of your own choice. For example, to add a shortcode, you have to go in shortcuts and expansions. You can see some predefined text here. Now I'll create a one to show you how it works. You have to tap on the menu, press the add button. Here type the shortcode This is the expansion. And then tap on done button. The shortcut has been created. To test it, go back to the message section. Once you have created a shortcut, you can see a small plus sign before the text created. You have to tap on that and the entire sentence is fitted inside the message box. This is the ATR feature. You can add as many as shortcut in this as you want. This is the auto correction section. Many times while typing you are facing a typo errors. The section is dedicated to offer you a certain modes to fix the spellings. For example, high, medium and low. We'll check out on high settings. You can see the spelling adjusts automatically. The more it learns, the more it will be enhanced. Now this section is the accented bubble section. It offers you some additional information. That means the updates that you can see on the keyboard. It is a setting for this section. This is sound and vibrate setting. You can enable and disable the sound that is appearing on the backside while pressing the key. The last option is about help section. You can check the version here. You can find out more information and share if you like the application. Before I had shown Adaptxt keypad for smartphone. Today we will check this on check the keyboard on tablet. This is Adaptxt application. After first time installation, you have to configure the settings back again from start. These are the languages. I had shown this before also. You can search the languages over here. Once it is downloaded, you can see the languages installed here. The settings are same as compared to smartphone application. Only extra things you're going to get is shake setting and handwriting. This is the final setup. You have to go in settings and you have to modify the keyboard from language and input. You have to take Adaptxt tablet keyboard as the default one. Once it is selected, it will be activated. You can see a small icon in the notification bar. This icon allows you to change which keyboard you want to use. This is Adaptxt keyboard for tablet. The entire interface is different compared to the smartphone. There are the alphabets are divided into two sections with a handwriting bar in the center. This is not much responsive, but depend on the device you are using. There is a ATR section bar on the top side, and there is a quick setting bar. Let's check out the keyboard first. You can see as I keep on typing, I am getting suggestion on the top side. On smartphone there is only three tab available for this, but on a tablet we have at around 4 tabs with additional ready to use words in it. And along with this we are having an automatic text replacement tab. For example, I have shown in the last video how to create a shortcut for your sentences. If I press this, you can see it is entire sentence appear in the text. You can configure the ATR section from quick settings tab. This is ATR. This is shortcuts and expansion. From here you can add your own code, and it allow you to save your typing time. We'll just see an example of this. A shortcut is created. You can see the tab changes here with the ATR which I have created right now. The quick setting tab also allows you to change the layout, to enable private mode, to create a shortcut here, and to manage themes. These things are not available in the smartphone version of Adaptxt keyboard. Thank you. Visit techarena.in.